Hello, I'm Bob Chitrathorn with Wealth Planning by Bob Chitrathorn and Simplified Wealth Management. We're always trying to share information and insight. If you ever have any questions or want to reach out to me, feel free to do so. You can email me at bob@simplifiedwealth.com. Call or text me at 1-951-465-6409 or find me on social media or at www.planwithbob.com. 529 College Savings Plans for Education and Estate Planning. 529 college savings plans are essential for saving for higher education expenses and, if used for education, accumulate tax-free. Since 529 plans came into existence in 1996, their popularity has continued to increase, with 529 plan assets crossing the $400 billion mark in 2021, according to Morningstar. 529 plans are qualified tuition plans that allow state and federal tax-free withdrawals of earnings and have the potential for tax deductions, which help offset the increasing cost of secondary education. 529 plans can be used in every state to pay for K-12 education expenses at private schools. Here's more about 529 plans you may want to know. There are two types of 529 plans. 1. Prepaid tuition plans. These 529 plans allow the account owner to purchase credits for later use at participating colleges or universities to pay for tuition. 2. Education savings plans. The federal government guarantees education savings plans, but not against loss due to the investment's performance. Education savings plans utilize an investment account to save for the beneficiary's future qualified higher education expenses, including room and board, fees, and qualified equipment expenses. 529 plans can now be used in every state to pay for K-12 education expenses at private schools. 529 plans can be a strategy to transfer wealth under the 2017 Tax Reform Act. An individual contributing to a 529 savings plan can currently front-load $80,000 or 5 years' worth of contributions into 1 year without incurring federal gift taxes. A married couple who are parents or grandparents could contribute $160,000 into their grandchild's 529 plan. It's a unique way to transfer wealth for those who wish to make education a part of a legacy that provides a tax deduction and no federal gift taxes. The bonus is that this strategy can be for each child or grandchild. Another feature of using a 529 plan inside an estate plan is that the contributor or account owner retains control of the assets and rights to the dollars in the 529 plan. Typically, 529 plans allow the contributor, account owner, to change the account's beneficiary at any time. However, if the 529 plan is used inside a trust or as part of an estate plan, changing the beneficiary can have adverse effects if the trust or estate plan is ever contested. Therefore, using a 529 plan within an estate plan requires due diligence and should involve a financial professional, attorney, and tax professional before using this strategy. Want the owners to be able to use the 529 plan assets for themselves? Well, that may be a strategy to implement while enjoying the benefits of tax deferral as well. Ask me how. Contact our office today to discuss your situation and if a 529 plan is suitable for you. As a reminder, I'm Bob Chitrathorn with Wealth Planning by Bob Chitrathorn and Simplified Wealth Management, and I'd love to help. If you ever have any questions or want to reach out to me, feel free to do so. In fact, I encourage you to reach out to me for a quick 15-minute phone call to inquire about the many different ways I may be able to help you. You can set up a call at go.onetub.com/Bob Chitrathorn or email me at bob@simplifiedwealth.com. Call or text me at 1-951-465-6409. Find me on social media or at www.planwithbob.com.